and I have completed my whole PC and studies in Davangere. And I recently got selected for the Signivis company through Jspider. Before I didn't know about the Jspider. One of my friend told me about this because after I completed BCA, I wanted to do a course like Java, Python, something else to get into a IT company. Then once I got to know about the Jspiders and the qspiders and all those and pyspiders, then suddenly I came to Bangalore, and I suddenly came to Bangalore and joined the Jspider. So after I joined the Jspider, I had a fear about the topics and all those trainers and the HR. So after some days, when I started to learn the things about the concepts which was taken by me, and finally I had learned a lot of things related to Java full stack development, and trainers and HRs were all are very supportive for us, and trainers they had taught a lot of things to the students, and I have been learnt a lot of things, and I would like to remember the Jspider in entire my life. Thank you so much for once again all the HRs and trainers.